group.
It's amazing to hear you every time. It's amazing. It's just is very motivating, and it gives me something to take with me every time.
Thank you.
I think pretty much like everybody else in this room must have come across somebody who is not that motivated, and you want to groom them as well. You want them to get better. Do you have any tips, any ideas?
You encounter someone that's just not motivated. And I deal with this in a lot of companies. I did a lot of work in the oil and gas industry, and one thing they told me over and over again, union employees are not motivated. You just can't get them motivated. You can't get them to work. But what was interesting was that union employee would walk out of the gate, get on the phone, they're organizing the bowling league. Like, right, are you going to be there tonight? It's important. We got to win this championship. Or they were building race cars, or they were getting together their hunting group or whatever. They were motivated, but they were motivated about the things that they cared about. So I believe ultimately everybody is internally motivated. We are wired that way. And in many cases, it's about sitting back and saying, hey, you know, what's killing that for you? What's making you not interested in your job? Well, I'll tell you why, because every time I come to work and I try to make a decision, boom, I get my hand slapped. What's the point? So I just gave up a long time ago. Or it's just not that interesting to me. Well, what would be interesting to you? Well, I really like this. Let's figure out how to pull that in. On some rare occasions, you're going to have trouble as an organization pulling that out of that person, and you can't let them drag everybody else down. But I guarantee you that every person that lives is motivated about something, and it's really a great question. It's about tapping into that, figuring out what that is. Like I said, the inner city schools, nobody's graduating. All of a sudden, everybody's graduating. It's because you're painting a picture about what their life can be.